Is it? Oh, it's because it's summer or something. Okay, much better. Now.
Speak.
Okay, where do we get groceries? Hello. Sorry about that. My old desk had like a bar towards the back of it where I would put my feet. And my new desk doesn't have that, but I did drill in some screws to mount the power strip that I have everything plugged into. And so I was putting my feet up by the back where the power strip is now, and I disconnected the router.
Hail. Welcome to New... This is... Bye.
Bye. Anyways, yeah, it took a while to reconnect. Sorry. I need to get a footstool.
Go ahead, please.
How come she doesn't sell anything? Is it because it's the wrong time? You guys will be my footstool?
How can I help you today, friend?
I will need to
What?
buy
Have a look at my wares. I'm sure there's something to suit you.
garlic.